I forgot to get started with the video, so we had to break that nut with this little tool here that comes in the box. We break that, and then we're gonna get that taken off, and then we're gonna go from there and get the new one in, disconnect it with that clip, and disconnect the water lines. All right, so we finally got that bolt off. We can pull all the internals out. And this little bolt right here. We couldn't get the water line off because y'all see how corroded it is, so we had to turn everything off from the main line. So I'll keep y'all posted. All right, guys, this is the old one. It's a Mowens brand. I don't know, it's a Mowens brand. But that's the old one we're gonna get out. We're gonna swap it out with a new one that we got over here. Customer has a Delta. It's pretty much the same setup, but we're gonna get everything connected and then go from there. All right, we got it out of there. Got the old one out. We're gonna put this new one in. All right, we got the new Delta in. We're gonna be bolting it down. We got that piece, this tool, and then that nut right there. We're gonna get it all locked down. I'll let you know when we done. Yeah. All right, y'all. I know this may be a little close, but we gotta put the weight on here. We got everything tied up. We took this nut right here, and we put it on here and threaded that nut all the way up there so it can be tight. This the weight right here to keep it keep the hose down, and all you have to do is connect it there. Boom. That goes like that, and then I think it's a little piece up there that we have to connect. As far as these water lines, I'm gonna just go ahead and get rid of these. This is the gold. That's hot. And this is the gold. So we can. We got one off. Let's see if we can get this other one off. I didn't even disconnect it. There it is. See all that corrosion on there, man? Hopefully we can get this off. If not, I might have to cut the line. There it is. So I don't know where that came from. That's just an extra piece. This right here is the real culprit. We gotta get off in order to hook that water line up. So let's see. We're gonna have a lot of water coming out. It's just such a tight squeeze in here. All right. This was the water. This was the line to the dishwasher. She doesn't use that at all, so we just gonna let that bad baby hang. But yeah, that's the tool that you need to keep. Then we're gonna turn this water back on and see if everything works. What the bad thing? Let's see. Yeah. We are going to see. Finished product. Let's go. There it is. Alright, we got everything hooked up, man. Had a little slip up. Forgot to put that blue clip on. Make sure y'all put that blue clip up. I had the water on and it popped loose and started squirting on me, but we caught it before it did anything. But yeah, we good. Let's check it out. Alright, here we go. Got it on. That's hot water there. Up is cold water. Huh? Yeah, about 2 or 3 strings. You get to do all type of them. So you got the straight string, you have the jets, and then you got like, I guess just to clean out bottles. So, and then it extends. It's right here on the front.
Oh, okay. I couldn't see it.
Yeah. So it shows you right here on the front if you want to look. It has a straight string, the jets. And then I guess that's a bottle cleaner. So you do the bottle cleaner and then the straight jets. And then there's no leaks down here if you want to check and see.